Surrogate PP had her heartbeat confirmation appointment and was lovingly supported by our amazing coordinators, Rebekah and Vanessa. We are overjoyed to share the wonderful news. Baby has a heartbeat. Hearing that tiny rhythm is nothing short of a miracle and one of the most magical milestones in this journey. Moments like these remind us why we do what we do, helping dreams come true and celebrating every beautiful step along the way. Congratulations to Surrogate PP and her intended parents on reaching this special milestone. We cannot wait to watch this little miracle continue to grow.